Hi everyone. Today we will learn most helpful phrases you need for traveling. Let's start. Where is the nearest bus station?
Excuse me, where is the nearest bus station?
The bus station is located 2 blocks away. What is the currency used here?
What is the currency used here?
We use the US dollar here. Do you have a map of the area?
Do you have a map of the area? I'm trying to find my way around.
Yes, I do. Here you go. How much does this cost?
Excuse me, how much does this cost?
This costs $20. Would you like to purchase it? What is the best way to get to the city center?
What is the best way to get to the city center?
Taking the bus is the quickest way to get there. What time does the store close?
Excuse me, what time does the store close?
The store closes at 8 p.m. Is this a safe area?
Is this a safe area?
Yes, this area is very safe. You don't need to worry. Is there an ATM nearby?
Excuse me, is there an ATM nearby?
Yes, there's one just down the street on the corner. Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Yep, certainly. There's a great Italian place just around the corner. How much is the entrance fee?
Hi, I'm a tourist. How much is the entrance fee?
The entrance fee is $20 per person. Enjoy your visit. Where is the nearest restroom?
Excuse me, do you know where is the nearest restroom?
Yes, it's just around the corner. Are there any cultural attractions nearby?
Are there any cultural attractions nearby?
The city is full of them. Let me show you some of the best ones. Is there an English-speaking guide available?
Is there an English-speaking guide available?
Yes, sure. I'm an English-speaking guide. How can I help you? How far is it to the nearest beach?
How far is it to the nearest beach?
It's about a 20-minute drive. Enjoy your stay. What time is it?
Could you please help me? What time is it?
Sure, it's 3:30 p.m. Enhance your English with English Me. Subscribe for our channel and discover more fascinating videos on our page.